Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to bulk edit fields in WPForms using the Bulk Actions plugin. If you've ever felt stuck editing fields one by one, this is going to make your life so much easier. First, make sure the plugin is installed and active. Then, from the left menu, click Forms, Ultimate Kit. Now, pick the form where you want to make edits. Simple, right? Next, open the Bulk Actions panel. Here, you'll see all the fields from that form. This is where the magic starts. To select more than one field, hold down Control on Windows or Command on Mac. Click on the fields you want. Take your time. Choose exactly what you need. Once you've got your fields, click Edit. A pop-up will appear with all your editing options. This is where we save time. Now, we have two edit modes. Let's start with Bulk mode. Here, the changes you make apply to all selected fields. For example, let's mark them all as required. Click Done, and just like that, every selected field is now required. Notice that only the changes you make get applied. Everything else stays the same. Switch to Individual mode if you want more control. Here, you can update each field one by one. For example, let's change the label of a few fields. It's still faster than editing them manually in WPForms. When you're done, hit Done, then Save. That's it. Your changes are live. No more endless clicking. And that's how easy it is to bulk edit WPForms fields with the Bulk Actions plugin. We built this to save you time and make your work smoother. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.